Good morning. Today I'm going to give a quick tutorial on using a die that's kind of tough to get all the parts out because it's so detailed. And I have this doily die. I love it. Here's what it looks like. I'll leave it there so you can see it for a second. This one here, it did not punch out well. I had my plates were so wore out, like this is the good one that I have left, but the other ones are like so warped. Just a minute, I'll go get it so I can show you. Okay, I don't know if anybody else's dies end up looking like this. I mean, die plates look like this, but I mean, I used them to as much as I could, and it was to the point that it was like leaving an imprint on the bottom of the die. So anyhow, I ordered some off Amazon because I ordered them there before and I had good luck with them. And then anyway, when I purchased them, I thought, oh, I found these ones. They were, you got 8 for super good deal. Well, it didn't really do anything. But I'm going to try them one more time with the way that I've done this one. So I'll try them after this. So I usually work at my in my art room on a countertop. But anyhow, I had bought this magic mat from scrapbook.com, and I have not really liked it. Well, first of all, it just really didn't cut. So anyhow, I tried it again, and it's like, nope, it's still not doing it. So anyhow, I took a piece of a paper pad, well, the cover, and I put that in here. It just made it a little bit thicker because I tried putting in like 2 of the plates, but that did not work. Okay, so I put this in here on top of just that extra thickness of a cover. And this I cut, it's a 5 1/8 by 5 1/8. So I turn this so I've got the most space. And now I'm like probably overcutting it, but it's just what I'm gonna do because I want it to turn out perfect. Okay. Oh, it might be actually easier doing it at this height than the other. Okay, so now I'm actually gonna 1, 2, come back, 3, go forward again, and 4, come back again. And this is what I've been doing with everyone because it's like, this is my favorite die, and it's like, it just has not been working out well. And okay, so it was like this. So I'm going to turn it like this because I had a problem with it, like little pieces of it on the edges not cutting all the way through. Like this one here where it's like it's just not all the way through. Now I'll use this because I usually tuck it underneath. And so I'll have, 3/4 of it looks perfect. Okay, so I've turned it clockwise, a quarter of a turn. Okay, and then I'm going to go through it again. And now it barely feels like it's even any pressure now. But I'm still going to do it 4 times. And sorry about all the moving. It's like an earthquake. Okay, now I'm going to take this off here. Okay, and I'm going to move this out of the way. And you see it's gotten it really white now. This is supposed to, it's a self-healing mat. So it's supposed to, oh, here's my extra piece. See, I've already flipped over on this side too. But now I am really loving it. So I'm going to be using it like this. Okay, so let me move this and I'll be right back. Can you hear me flip-flopping? Okay. So here's the ones I've got done, and they are perfect. I love them. So this is, I'm going to turn it the right way so you're not looking at it upside down. Here's my one extra sheet that I have. Okay, so then I take the die. See, I kept flipping it over once I realized, oh, I could tell what didn't get cut. So look at how, I mean, hopefully you can see that. It looks perfect. And then I take the brush that came with my, I don't remember if I had to buy this separate or if it came with my Sizzix, my Big Shot. And then you go through it like this. Now I always pulled it out and then did this. Oh, my coffee is turning off. Okay. So I've done this. And you can kind of see if some of them didn't come out, except for the ones that are up here. Like this one didn't come out, so I'm going to rub it again, and I seen it fall. 2 here did not pop out, so I'm going to rub over it again. I used to always take this out, put it on my sponge thing that came with it, and then, you know, rub on it and it would get all wonky, but it always stayed together. But this turned out just perfect. And do I have anything here that I can just a color or a solid that I can kind of put it on to show you. But look at how lovely it looks. I just love them. So this, I'm in the Doily Swap. I guess they do it once a year. I remember I did it when I first started swapping, and then I hadn't swapped for a long time. And so I had done it once before, and I love the doilies because you get to see doilies that you've never seen before. So I have 10 perfect ones now for my swap, and then I'm actually doing 2 doily sets, and the other ones I'm going to do purchased. So one of my like they put you into 2 groups if you want to do 2. So one of my groups will get these, and then the other group I'm going to give them each 2 pre-made doilies. So because this was quite a task. I don't want to do 20 of these. Well, you're supposed to do 2 different ones if you do 2 groups anyway. Oh, I was also going to show you this. So I have this, I decided, it's like I was always running around for my trash can. So when I'm working on when I'm die cutting, I actually take this, it's a chia seed container, and I have my scraps on this, and then I just dump it like this. And it's like, I still get them all over, you know, but at least it's not as messy as it was before. So I just wanted to show you that because it's like sometimes, you know, it's like there's things that you can buy to make the perfect, they call the, you know, layering your plates and things, sandwiches. Well, just by taking, you know, I just cut the same size, it's like a 6 by 8, I think, and just by putting that in there and then turning my die, I was able to get a perfect cut, and I really like how they turned out. And so that's it for today. Well, nope, it's not, because I also have my day 7 30 days of sketches coming up, but I will link the people below that are making embellishments. Now, Ginger did not say anything about, showing how to do a doily, because I think lots of people just do I just did the pre-made ones before, but I'll still link them below, because that is where, if you decide you want to swap, you don't have to do every swap. I mean, I love doilies so much, I could do it every year just for the doilies. So I just wanted to, show that little helpful hint and hope it helps somebody. And I'll let you know if I can sandwich those other ones that I bought, because they were like a steal. But, it's like if I have to send them back, then then it's just a hassle. So I'll let you know how that goes. So thank you for joining me. Go over and check out my 30 days of sketches and check out the other people that are making embellishments, and check out our embellishment swap on Facebook. Ginger does an excellent job, and it's so fun getting handmade embellishments. So I'll see you later. Bye.